Greeting dear students. We are going to discuss now one more subjective question given in your study circle, and that also belongs to the chapter of heat. Okay, the question read like this: what is the role of anomalous behavior of water in preserving aquatic life in the regions of the cold climate? Okay, you might be knowing that cold climate countries are those countries where the temperature usually falls below the 0 degree Celsius, right? So we'll start with a point. Actually, is answer may be shared with you on the group, but still I will be discussing the overall in a nutshell answer in the nutshell. Okay. So the existence of the fish and aquatic life is possible only because of the anomalous expansion of the water. So I would be writing the first point that aquatic life is sustained only due to anomalous expansion or behavior of water, right? First thing. Second, in the regions of cold climate, usually the atmospheric temperature falls below 0 degree Celsius. So in cold countries, temperature usually falls more below even 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is ideal situation to form an ice, right? That you might be knowing this, right? So third, so as atmospheric temperature falls, okay, as the atmospheric temperature falls, the water, that implies that water in ponds and lakes starts contracting. Since it start contracting, what does it mean? It means volume will decrease. As volume will decrease, according to the formula, density is equal to mass by volume. Volume decrease, that implies that density would increase. Okay, so density would increase. As density would increase, it becomes heavier. As it becomes heavier, it sinks. It sinks or goes down the lake. Are you getting my point? And this scene continues till the temperature reaches 4 degrees Celsius. You might be knowing this is that alarming temperature which is at which the anomalous behavior is observed, right? So this is 4 degrees Celsius. Now below this 4 degrees Celsius, it shows anomalous due to anomalous nature of water. It starts expanding, right? It starts expanding instead of contracting. Now the nature is reversed. Okay, since it starts expanding instead of the contracting, this particular water will surface. It goes to surface and then turns to ice, because instead of getting contracting, it start expanding. So being it becomes lighter, and lighter water will move up to the surface, and then it turns ice because the temperature is getting lowered and lowered. So it turns into ice. As soon as it turns into ice, that ice layer so form, cut off heat supply. That means it works as an insulator, right? So cut off the heat supply to the lower side water. And the good news now is the layer below this ice or water or below this layer will be non-ice. It not has turned to the ice, and that makes the aquatic life sustain in those countries. Okay, so this makes aquatic life still alive in cold countries. Hope you understood this situation. For more such videos, stay tuned to See you in Academy. Okay. Thank you very much.